In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a free website using GoDaddy Websites plus Marketing. To get started, open your web browser and go to godaddy.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Websites plus Marketing section and click the button that says Start for Free. This will take you into GoDaddy's website builder, which is designed to help beginners create a simple site without needing any coding or design experience. If you're brand new to website building, this is a straightforward place to begin because the setup process is guided and easy to follow. Next, you'll be asked to choose a site category and enter your business name. The category helps GoDaddy understand what kind of website you want to build, whether it's for a small business, a personal brand, a service, or something else. Choosing the most accurate category is helpful because it can affect the layout suggestions and the default content the builder prepares for you. After that, type in your business name. If you don't have an official business yet, you can simply use the name of your project, brand, or website idea. This gives your site a clear identity right from the beginning. After the initial setup, you can start customizing your pages using the basic free builder tool. This is where you adjust the look and feel of your website so it matches your style and purpose. You can edit text, update headings, and replace placeholder content with your own information. You can also explore design options like colors, themes, and page sections. As you make changes, keep your layout simple and easy to read. Make sure your homepage clearly explains who you are, what you offer, or what visitors should expect when they land on the site. Since you're using the free version, focus on building a clean and functional site rather than trying to add too much at once. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the final step is to click Publish. This makes your website live on a free GoDaddy subdomain ending in .godaddysites.com. Publishing is what allows other people to visit your site online. So before you do that, take a moment to quickly review your content for spelling, clarity, and overall appearance. When you're ready, publish the site, and your free website will be live. That's it. You've now created and published a free website using GoDaddy's website builder.